This is Module 10, helping students realize their learning norms. The first one is relationships. We instructed students how our relationship with the teachers and the paraprofessionals in the classroom go. We encourage them to make friends with the students in the classroom. They also have opportunities to intermingle with general ed kids and their elective classes. Also, the curriculum teaches them how to work on interpersonal relationships. And just to give a brief background, I work in a mixed ability class with 7 to 10 students with mild to severe intellectual disabilities. So building relationships with these students is very important. We let them know and we show them through the coursework that everything they do is relevant in their life. We practice what we learn, life skills, and we'll talk about it later on additional slides. We also teach skills to help them be successful in the community, and we practice these skills through 6th grade through 8th grade until they go to high school. Students learn at their own pace. They have lots of practice on the different skills that we work on. Some move forward pretty quickly, others work on the same thing year round. For timing, we do have a class schedule. There's personal time built into the schedule where when they complete an activity, they have time to work on things that they want to work on. Play, they do have, like I said, personal time after lessons. It's not really for play, it's working on other skills. They get to play at recess, either before or after lunch, depending on how the schedules works. And also they play in PE class. We practice daily skills that they've learned over and over again. We also practice in different settings, like it'll be also in a different slide. For math skills, we work on adding, subtracting. We also work on fractions. So we turn those skills over to the kitchen and use recipes where they have to use math to complete a food project. They do have choices. They get to pick what kind of elective they want. They also get to pick different activities in the classroom after their work is done. They mainly work in groups and rotate the whole day. Authenticity, we tell them we hardly ever do worksheets. We do a lot of experiments. We do cooking. We also work on job-related skills, such as washing dishes, folding the laundry, those type of job-related skills. The work is challenging. Everything is based on what they can do. Our curriculum that we use has 3 categories, and they're assessed at the beginning of the school year, where it shows us where they need to start. Each category has different work expectations, and that's monitored and evaluated on a weekly basis. We increase their knowledge in the core subjects. I teach math, science, social studies, reading, everything. And the goal is to master their IEP goals and objectives. They're able to apply what they learn in class. I'll give a couple of examples. In math, we use cooking, laundry, and running the dishwasher, even working the computer and playing on the computer is a life skill that they can apply after they leave school. The standard correlation, helping students learn, helps them achieve their IEP goals and objectives. They also learn skills that are important when they leave the school so they can be successful out in the community. This assignment is relevant to becoming a school leader. We all have expectations of how the students are in school and they have expectations of us and what they're learning. It really didn't help me very much learning about different learning norms. Reflection, this assignment helped to remind me that the students do have expectations while they're at school. They're not just little robots handing out worksheets and them filling it out. Planning is used to help the students achieve their IEP goals and objectives and life skills they will need after they leave school. And here's the reference for this assignment.